Hi everyone, welcome back to the Hagerly channel. Today we're going to be looking at some vocabularies and phrases that we use to navigate around the city. We'll be using our knowledge from our past videos on directions and vocabularies on roads. So without further ado, let's go. Beside,
አጠገብ
next to,
ቀጥሎ
at the side,
ከጎን
far,
ሩቅ
near,
ቅርብ
behind,
ከጀርባ
in front of,
ከፊት
inside,
ውስጥ
around,
ዙሪያ
to find,
መፈለግ
school,
ትምህርት ቤት
church,
ቤተ ክርስቲያን
mosque,
መስጊድ
main road,
ዋና መንገድ
bridge,
ድልድይ
post office,
ፖስታ ቤት
police station,
ፖሊስ ጣቢያ
market,
ገበያ
bank,
ባንክ
building,
ህንፃ ኦር ፎቅ
hospital,
ሐኪም ቤት
pharmacy,
መድኃኒት መደብር
ሰላም ፖሊስ ጣቢያው የት ነው?
ከፖስታ ቤቱ አጠገብ ነው።
ፖስታ ቤቱ የት ነው?
ከሆስፒታሉ ጀርባ ነው።
near,
ቅርብ
behind,
ከጀርባ
main road,
ዋና መንገድ
pharmacy,
መድኃኒት መደብር
In Ethiopia, while trying to find your way around streets or roads, you might find streets without any street names. Usually, street names are given with something that exists there or no longer exists there. It might be a shop, it might be a food place, it might be a restaurant. so it's better to ask around. You are doing an amazing job. Use the vocabularies we learned today to navigate your way around. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Until next time, goodbye.